Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to cook son-in-law egg or egg with tamarind sauce. Recipe I have in this video and I have below with the comment. Turn heat on, add olive oil, add egg, and keep stir fry. And make sure around egg return to crispy. After egg is done, take the egg out of pan. The next step we fry the onion. Add olive oil and turn heat on. Add onion. Fry onion. Fry onion until turn brown. Then done. Beating to make a sauce. Turn heat on. Add tamarind. Add water. Add sugar. Then add fish sauce. Fry for 2 minutes. After sauce is done, then we do the next step. Cut the egg like this. Then decorate. Put the sauce on the top of egg. Then add fried onions. Add cilantro. Son-in-law egg easy to cook and delicious. I hope everyone enjoy my recipe. Thank you for everyone. Thank you for watching.